Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos and I would love for you to stick around. If you do enjoy, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications if you'd like to be notified every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. So I wanted to share with you guys, I'm just sitting on my bed because I didn't feel like setting up my whole area, but I wanted to share my 2021 January box. Now, I mentioned to you guys in another video that I did attempt to cancel all of my subscriptions. So my Ipsy, my Boxycharm Premium, and my base, but unfortunately I did not complete this one, so I did get it. And I am kind of considering just to keep one, just so that I have a subscription every month to share with you guys. I haven't fully decided as of yet, so I'm going to decide whether or not, I want to keep it. Now, this box does retail for $25 a month. It is $27.16 with tax or so, and I think it's a very, very good deal. I believe that you're promised $125 or more in products. I may be wrong about that. I will try to put the correct information down below if I remember. But I still think it's a fairly great deal. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we got. You open it up, and of course it's red. Base is always red, and premium is always blue. Okay, this is Boxycharm, a fresh start, right there. And I got variation. Oh, that's a different variation. I've not ever seen a variation like that before. Very long, C210106-BA. So I guess they're changing that. Used to be just like a 2-digit number usually, like 30, 35, somewhere around there, but it's obviously changed. So we're just gonna start. And let's just see what we got. So the first item I see is Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. That is what the packaging looks like. And let me tell you real quick before I open it, it says, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips and retails for $33, which is kind of ridiculous. And it's not very big. 15 mil, I think is what it says. So, I mean, you look at my hand and you look at the product itself, it's your average like balm size, but for $33, that's kind of crazy. I can smell the orange. I don't want to use it yet just because I have so many open right now that I'm currently trying to use, but I know that I will keep this because I can always use these. I constantly, no matter what time of the year, I always have dry lips, more so in the wintertime worse, but definitely throughout the year, so we'll be keeping that. I just think it's crazy. I would never pay $33, but great to have that because my box, it's already exceeded the amount of my box. So just that item alone did cover the cost of my box that I received. The next item is the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And that is what the container looks like. Right there. And, okay, let's see what this says. It says, do not age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, for refresh, younger-looking eyes for all skin types, and retails for $82. That's crazy, but I'm so thankful to have it, for sure. It's a decent size, I would say. And I am almost out of my night cream that I'm currently using, which is just a drugstore elf one, which I do enjoy. But I will be super excited to try this, especially because I'm starting to get a little bit of lines and softening of the skin right in this area, so that will be great. Okay, the next item, which I was hoping for, I saw that Derissa Ray and Faye Blatcher got this, and also Teresa Ann 83, I believe, got this. I was hoping that I got this so bad because I love Pharmacy products. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. It is a 1.7 fluid ounce. I wanted this so bad. I love their products. Their skincare is so good. I just don't like to buy stuff from Sephora, so I'm kind of one of those people that don't like to give Sephora my money, but occasionally I will, but not very much. There's so many things I have on my list there, but they're so expensive, and I don't know, I just don't like their reward programs and all of that. Oh, it smells so good. It has like a green consistency right there. Really nice. I cannot wait to be able to use this. I'm currently using the Saturday Skin, I think is what it's called, gel moisturizer. So once I finish that one, I cannot wait to try this. Let's go ahead and quickly read what it says. Okay, it says an oil-free and silicone-free moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin greasy. This cruelty-free vegan formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. That's a plus. It does retail for $38, which I think is fairly average for a good moisturizer. I'm so excited to try this. Like I said, I love this brand, and I have tried several things from them. I have currently their Pharmacy Cherry Balm, I believe, which I have yet to use. I did get it in a Boxycharm, but I'm almost out of my Pond's Cold Cream. I probably have like 1, maybe 2 uses, and then I can use that one, which I cannot wait for. I'm so over the Pond's Cold Cream. I love it, but it just is a lot of work to get it off because you can't just rinse it. But anyways, I love this. Super excited. I wanted that so bad, so I'm so glad I got it. It does look like I got 2 palettes this month, which is kind of weird, but it's not one of the ones I wanted. I actually wanted, I can't remember who it was, but I know Faye got it, and so did Chanel from EY Beauty got it. So greens, I really wanted that because I don't have a ton of that in my collection, but I didn't get it. But I did get the Ciate London Velvet palette. It is a 12-pan palette. The packaging is like a pretty mauvey pink, and it is velvety. Let me tell you while I'm opening it, it says create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallic, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative power formulated delivers high pigment with super soft application and retails for $30. The packaging is really pretty as well. It has a velvety texture, really nice. I don't know that I'm keeping this, so I'm not going to swatch it. It's a beautiful palette, but I haven't decided yet, so I don't want to swatch it if I decide not to keep it or put my hands in it. But that is what the palette looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's just like that genre of tones that I love. You have some golds and some rose gold. You have a little bit of mauve tones. Super, super beautiful. Again, not going to touch it yet because I may pass it or give it in a giveaway. So there's that first one. Very pretty packaging, I have to say. Okay, this is the Beauty Creations. Now, I do have some palettes from Beauty Creations, and I really do like them. They are an affordable brand, I believe based out of California. And I have maybe 3 palettes from them, I want to say, and I love them. They are great palettes and very affordable. This is the Esmeralda palette too. And it's interesting that this was in Boxycharm. This palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out on the town. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in this palette as well. It retails for $13.99. Like I said, it's very, very affordable. I just cannot get the palette out for some reason. Okay. And again, I'm not going to swatch or anything because I don't know if I'm keeping this yet. It does not have, oh, it does have a mirror, I'm sorry, a very small one, but that is the shades. So I got some pops of color, some neutrals, then you got this real pretty like greenish glitter here and then the blue one right here. So this is a really pretty palette. Again, I have tried Beauty Creations. Their formula is not bad. I wouldn't say that they're super, super pigmented. They are buildable shades. They do blend really nicely. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm keeping that, but so I did get, again, 2 palettes. The Pharmacy Moisturizer. I got the Dr. Brandt eye cream and the Bali lip balm, which I think this was a decent box, and I paid $27.16 or somewhere around there, and my box retailed this month for $196.99. I'd have to say that was a great, outstanding box. Could I use a couple more palettes? I don't need them, but overall, I mean, I got a lip product, 2 skincare, and 2 makeup. I think that's a great, great box if I have to say so myself. For $27, I think that I got a steal. So I'm definitely excited about it. Let me know if you think I should keep my subscription, if you think I shouldn't. I did decide to possibly cancel because I just have so much in my collection. But the great thing is, if I did decide to keep one box, I can build items up for giveaways and things like that. Overall, I have to say this was a great, outstanding box in my opinion. I think for the first box of the year, I think they did very, very well, and I'm super excited to try all of these products. I will definitely keep you guys updated, let you know if I do decide to keep those palettes. You'll know because I will come on and do a look using them, some type of look or something on like my Makeup Mondays or throughout the week or something like that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. If you get Boxycharm, whatever one it is, let me know what you got. If you were happy with your box or if you were not happy, or what you're most excited to receive in your box, what you would like to. I'd love to hear that from you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.